In this video, I'll be showing you how to enhance dialogue in Premiere Pro. Now, audio enhancement has moved away from manually chaining effects and towards AI-driven automation instead. So the core of this is the enhanced speech tool, which now runs locally on your machine. So what you want to do is open up the Essential Sound panel. And if you can't see that, what you're going to do is go to Window right here, and then you're going to see Essential Sound as one of the options. And now it's going to be somewhere on your screen or one of your screens, and mine is right here. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on your music once you have the Essential Sound thing open, and then just go ahead and click on dialogue, which is going to be the first option. So go ahead and click on that. And then over here, you're going to be able to change a lot of things. And what you want to do is adjust the mix amount. You can use the slider from 0 to 100% to find a balance. And 100% can sometimes sound a bit too clean and robotic. So dropping it to about 70 to 80% is, going to be a lot better. And all you want to do is go ahead and click enhance. It's going to say it makes voice recordings sound like they were recorded in a professional studio, removing all background noise and echo. So then all you're going to have to do is press enhance right there, and then you'll be in a much better position. Of course, then you can clear audio type if you want to, switch it to, let's say, music if you want to, and then you're going to be able to change a lot more things as well. So it's really up to you exactly what you want to do, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.